there, my name is Katie Carson. Welcome back to Royalty Soaps. If you've ever watched my channel before, you know I'm obsessed with putting glitter on the soap. It's so hard for me to not do it. Even if there's soaps that would look better without glitter, I'm still so tempted to just, you know. Well, since it's my birthday month and I can make what I want for my birthday month, I'm making an entire soap dedicated to glitter. Before the haters come after me, it's biodegradable, eco-friendly glitter, okay? Let's just get that out of the way first. But I really wanted to do a soap that was glittery on the inside instead of just glittery on the outside, and there's only a few ways to do that I know of. One of them is to use glycerin soap, which can be clear. But if you're gonna do it for cold process, you have to get special mica powders that are shimmery enough to hold up through the cold process soaping method. And that's what we're gonna do today. If you aren't following me on Instagram, I have two. One for Royalty Soaps, one for Katie Carson. You can follow me if you want, and if not, that's cool too. And without further ado, let's get started. We are going to begin today by pouring our lye water solution into our oils, and to the lye water solution, I have actually added a little bit of titanium dioxide because I want to give the glittery colors a nice base to sit upon, or sit in rather. And now I'm going to blend this big bucket on high. And now, with a wave of my magic scrapey spatula, we will turn this entire pot of soap into 4 equal portions. Ah! We're gonna be doing 4 different colors today, and I bet you guys are wondering how on earth I'm gonna make cold process soap sparkle in the middle. For those of y'all who know anything about soap making, cold process is a very matte soap. It's not like glycerin soap. It doesn't hold sparkles very well, but Nurture soap has some micas, as you can probably see here, that are super glittery. They're so glittery that the glitter actually shows up in the finished cold process soap. So I have 4 colors of that. I'm gonna use the Shamrock Silver first. Gonna add some of that here. Then I'm gonna add some Wild Strawberry into this one. Little bit of Eclipse over here. And then this gorgeous blue Moonshine into this one. I'm gonna blend all these colors in on low. We'll see if they're sparkly enough for my taste, and then we'll move on to the fragrance oil. Now actually, off camera, I just want you guys to know I do have a white mixed with super sparkles. The fragrance oil I'm using today is Icy Shine from Nature's Garden. This smells like a Garnier Fructis shampoo, and it is so good. I have blended all 5 of the containers now, so I'm gonna set them off to the side and we will bring in my large mold. My slab mold has been lined with freezer paper, so I'm gonna start pouring the soap batter into it. I did wait a little bit until the soap thickened up because it's supposed to have sort of a gloopy look to it. I want the colors to be nice and kind of just, yeah, gloopy would be the word I would use to describe it. Gonna do the white next. Gloopity gloop. And I'm also trying to accommodate some of the people who had been asking for a pastel soap recently. These colors are gonna end up being pretty pastel. Oh, this blue is everything. I absolutely love it. I'm also pouring it kind of close, as you can probably see. That way all the colors maintain their vibrancy a little. Just bloop, bloop, bloop. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. So the second round, I'm kind of pouring most of everything in there. I am gonna leave these little bits for the top for swirling, but most all the soap is going in this round. Now the white. Oh my gosh, I think this is gonna be prettier than I thought it was gonna be. I don't always know. Just because I designed the soap doesn't mean that it's gonna end up looking nice. So I always feel like I'm kind of gambling, kind of taking a risk with them. And finally, the blue on top. And now I'm going to tap this down on the ground and I'm gonna scrape out my containers. gonna scrapey right on top. Initially, I thought I might go ahead and swirl the top, but now I kind of want to leave it like this paint splatter gloopy look. I kind of like it. I don't know, we'll see. After I get all the colors in there, would probably be a better time to make that assessment. I think so many people have a mixed opinion on glitter when it comes to crafting. I think it's kind of one of those either you love it or you hate it type things. I will say that with my soaps, lots of people ask me, does the glitter stay on your skin? And the answer is no. It looks pretty on top of the bar, but if you're looking something to make your skin shimmer, you're gonna need to get like a body lotion or something. I know that Bath and Body Works used to make them in the 90s when they were like shimmer body lotions, and it had mica in there, and it really did give your skin kind of like a shimmer to it, and it was pretty cool. But something that washes off your skin. I mean, I personally have never seen one that actually left stuff on your body. Now for the white, I'm gonna put that on top. Yep, I'm definitely gonna leave this like a paint splatter. And I do use biodegradable glitters in all of my products. When there's a legitimately environmentally friendly option that is just as good as something that isn't environmentally friendly, I like to go ahead and make that switch. The biodegradable glitters are just as sparkly, they look just as nice. They're a little bit more expensive on the whole, and probably a little harder right now to get your hands on. I hope one day that, you know, big retailers and stuff also make the switch, but if you buy online all the time like I do, it's really not that hard to get your hands on them. So I'm happy, and I'm proud that Royalty Soaps went ahead and made that change whenever the option was available. Last color is the blue. I'm glad I saved this one for last because I honestly think that out of all the colors, this blue might be my favorite. It's like a really nice blend of like a sea kind of green blue color and like a baby blue color. It's really cool. Final scrapey. Just gonna put this all over the top. Final bit, and then I'm going to tap it down on the ground once again to kind of level everything out. All the sparkles in this project are silvery looking, so I'm going to put some silver bio glitter on top. It is also holographic, I should mention, so I'm just going to shake this all around. It is really like super fine though, so I'm holding it up really high and having to be careful of how much I shake. I'm also going to add a little teeny tiny bit of silver bio glitter from Fizz Fairy. Add some final spritzes right here on top. Oh my gosh. And the Glitterati soap is done. Now I know that green color is looking a little yucky right now, but like most of my greens, it will turn a nice color tomorrow. So this is what the paint splatter super sparkly Glitterati soap looks like on top, and I will be back in 18 to 24 hours to cut this slab into loaves and then split the loaves into bars. After this quick commercial break, of course. So now it's time to cut the Glitterati soap into bars. Look at that super sparkly top. Oh, hello, Lily. I'm just gonna line it up here with Evangeline and press down gently. Now just pull one from the middle, and this is what it looks like on the inside. That green looks a lot better than it did yesterday, and you guys can see the whole inside of the soap is sparkly. And of course the top is sparkly too. For those who are interested in seeing my design, here you go. So this is kind of what I had in mind. Originally the design had some gold in it, but since all the sparkles were silver tinted, I decided to nix that. This is what it looks like in real life as opposed to the illustration. And man, it smells amazing. This is one of my favorite scents I've probably ever done. Like seriously, that's how good I think it is. Ooh, look at that. That looks so cool. that swirl right there. Ooh. So the question of the day is, do you like glitter in your bath and body products? Now, I'll put some caveats out there for you. Let's assume that the glitter doesn't stick to your skin and that it's environmentally friendly. Now, you guys know I would not be making this soap, of course, if I did not. So my answer is obviously yes. Even though in life outside of soap, as in like my clothing and with crafts and stuff, I don't actually prefer using glitter. It's actually basically exclusively a love of it when it comes to soap. To vote in the question of the day, you can click the I in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. I hope you guys really loved this video and liked seeing the side-by-side comparison of the actual bar of soap and my inspiration photo. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. Until then, go do something for yourself today, whether that's, you know, bathing in glitter or trying to rid your entire house of it. Do something that makes you happy, and I'll see you all soon. So until then, bye for now. Meow.